Hey guys, welcome back to Pokemon Glazed. So in the last episode we reached Ocean View City and challenged the gym leader. So in today's episode we are actually going to be going to the next city. Okay. So I watched a YouTube video on a gameplay, and in that they told me that I have to get a Serenity ticket. So let's go. Which boat? This one? So we are at Serenity Island. Professor Willow is calling me basically. So now let's go guys. I'll first heal my Pokemon and see you guys. So guys, I've healed my Pokemon, so let's go now. Here's a gym also, which we will not challenge right now. But first we'll go from the not so serene bridge. Oh, Pokemon trainer Chris and a Buizel. Hi Chris. Mark Punch. Cool dude. Let's move on guys. Okay. One sec guys. Now guys, let's go ahead. Who's next? Let's have a battle. Okay. What's your name? Alicia. Okay. So she has a Staryu of level 14. And you know what I'm going to do with him? Just Mark Punch him until it dies. Let's go. Bye bye Alicia. So this is the third trainer. Mathis. Okay, a Chimchar. Okay, you fight with Jimmy. OP. You have Ember also. Here you go. Bye bye Chimchar. Let's move on guys. So now guys, we'll move ahead to the next one. Let's go. Tourist Diego, who has a Shuckle. Scratch. Okay, that's what I wanted. Match Punch. Didn't die? Shit. Shoot. Shit man, I'll defeat him and see you guys. So guys, I defeated the trainer Diego as well, and the last one, I guess please be the last one, because I can't battle more. Okay, a Totodile. Here you go. Didn't die. Okay, you will die. Bye Totodile. Chinchou. Okay. Mach Punch. Flail. Oh, I'm not scared of any flail. Bye bye, loser. Now let's go ahead, guys. So we have reached Forlorn Cape. Oh, a Shroomish. Nope. Let's go, guys. From here, and we reached back to Glenwood Town. So now we'll just go to the lab, I guess. Oh, Blake. Okay, so Blake is basically telling us that the villain of this region, team, I don't know. So, but we'll take on the villains in the next episode, not right now. First, we'll take the gym leader. One sec, guys. So, guys, I taught HM Cut to Lanky, the trainer that the HM that the professor gave. No, that one. So now let's go over here and I'll catch some pseudo legendaries and see you guys. So guys, now I've reached the gym and I'm fighting to a trainer of theirs gym, and I think that this gym is gonna be pretty hard because this gym has ground type Pokemon, which includes 2 fully evolved Pokemon that we can lose to. Those are Nidoking and Nidoqueen. So let's go guys. For that I'll first find this puzzle. This whole thing is a big puzzle. I'll defeat him and see you guys. So guys, I defeated this guy. Now we'll go ahead out on our journey. Wait a minute, there is a route from there. I am not be able to understand anything, guys. I don't know what kind of stupid and bad puzzle this is, but anything the puzzle might be. It's pretty good because if I get trapped in here, no, I can just come back in here and so far for let's go. So guys, now I'll go ahead from here. Many more trainers left. This one is also a trainer. I'll defeat. So guys, I am again fighting with another mad person. I'll defeat all of them and see you guys. So guys, I have reached to the gym leader whose name is Terry. So let's see if we can defeat leader Terry, and we are there with a battle with him. Let's go guys. He has a Gligar. Okay, our rock type move got missed, but we can do a water gun on him instead. Okay, how many protects does this have? Stupid Gligar. Let me defeat you. Good boy. What? Wait guys, this is gonna be severe. So what I'll do is I'll try to defeat all the Pokemon with Lanky only, with my my Monferno, and even if they don't get defeated, guys, I'm very scared of this gym because how many protects does this Gligar have? This is just cheating. I mean, you have potions also, still you are using protect. How much big cheaters gym leaders are in this game? I'll show you. Wait. Shit. Monferno. So guys, now I'm gonna be using Jimmy on this video. Jimmy, you can win this gym. Please, Jimmy. OP guys, so we have defeated Gligar, but Jimmy is really low on health, and now a Vibrava is going to come, so I'll switch in Cheeky. Let's go guys. So the Vibrava is going to get hit with a revenge, so go Cheeky. Another revenge. Oh no, magnitude. Shit. Yes, so we could defeat the Vibrava with ease as well. Now his last Pokemon, who is a Phanpy, is going to come, who's of level 27. And he hit his attack first, so that's the end of Cheeky's. Cheeky has also fainted. Let's use Pinky for some time. Pinky became a Phanpy now. Magnitude. Go on, Pinky, you can do this. Made a substitute. Okay, your substitute will get busted. Rapid spin. Okay. Let's see how much Pinky can become a copycat. Go Pinky. I know you can do it. Okay, so another magnitude 8 leftovers. So that's the item that you have. Still, I'm going to win. So guys, let's go. We are about to defeat this stupid little Phanpy over here. Oh shit. That's cheating, Terry. You lost. You cheated, so you lost. Technically, I am the winner, guys. But now I guess he's saying, no, you first have to defeat me. Shit. I mean, like, seriously, how big a cheater can a gym leader be, man? Bloody cheater. Let's go. Now we are going to use Jimmy and Raka, the two only Pokemon that I can rely on. Please, I should be fast now. You know, guys, I'll pause this recording because I'm very scared, and then see you guys after winning the battle. Finally, guys, I have defeated the Phanpy, and we received our second gym badge, dirt badge. So now let's go ahead. I'll see you guys in the Poké Center. So guys, I hope you liked the video. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments which new game shall we play next. Till the next time, guys, bye.